Meaning of encirclement.
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 Encirclement. Encirclement refers to the situation where a group of individuals or military forces surround an opposing force in order to cut off their lines of communication and supplies, rendering them vulnerable and unable to escape. The ultimate result of encirclement is often the defeat of the surrounded force, either through surrender or being forced to fight to the death. Encirclement has been used as a military tactic throughout history, from ancient battles to modern warfare. It is a highly effective strategy when executed properly, but requires careful planning and coordination among the encircling forces.